Welcome to the AMS StreetSaver online training series, the place where users become super users. In this tutorial, users will know how to enter maintenance and rehabilitation treatment. This is important for agencies to make sure their current PCI is up to date. It's considered best practice when a road has been completed. Staff should make sure to enter the information as soon as possible. All right, let's begin. First, in your table of contents, scroll and click on pavement sections. Next, identify the street segment that has been completed. You can use the Smart Search by typing in the road name into the search field located under the road name, or you can scroll down using the up and down arrows. To advance to the next page, you can flip the page by clicking on the numbered tabs located at the bottom left of your grid. Once you've identified your road, right-click with your mouse. A menu will open up. Select Create M&R. The Create M&R window will open. First, enter the date of the completion of the treatment. Next, select the treatment by clicking on the treatment window. A menu will appear. Select the treatment. Please note, if you cannot find your treatment, please see the tutorial video on table maintenance. Next, you can enter the thickness, area, costs, and comments. The more information, the better, but if you don't have this information, these fields are not required fields. The only fields required have the red asterisk next to the field name. Once you've entered the information, you can save and close. Please note, just because you entered the information and save and close your entry does not mean the PCI will automatically calculate. You must go to M&R calculations to successfully apply the treatment. Please refer to our tutorial on M&R calculations. This concludes Enter M&R treatment. Thank you for watching. For more information, go to amsconsulting.net.